To stay fit and be in shape is something which our B-Town ladies can't avoid. और इसी कॉज को सपोर्ट करने पहुंची हैं नेहा धूपिया. Well, she was seen at a gym inauguration promoting a new dance form called Zumba. यहाँ पर नेहा दिखी shaking a leg on the stage. Have a look. तो आइए नेहा से पूछते हैं कि कैसा लगा उन्हें जब वो आई स्टेज पर टू डू ज़ुम्बा. Was it like her usual workout session or was it any different?
Well, मुझे खुद नहीं पता था कि मुझे यहाँ बुलाया जाएगा. मैं बस ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि within seconds I managed to pick up the step और इतना ही आसान होता है ज़ुम्बा and I'm so happy that it's been introduced in India क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा डांस फॉर्म है मुझे अगर मैं लंबे गाउन और हील्स में कर सकती हूँ तो I can definitely do it in the gym and I promise you within seconds I was feeling like I was working out and I was feeling like I was doing so much and I want to go to the gym and I want to enroll in these classes as soon as I get a chance.
Okay नेहा, आप इतनी excited दिख रही हैं. Seems like यहाँ से बाहर जाके आप सीधे जिम चली जाएंगी to do Zumba. वैसे how difficult is it for a celeb to be in shape and carry that celeb status?
Well, एक एक्टर होने के नाते we have to do everything above average. चाहे वो whether we have to dress up, whether we have to diet, whether we have to even go to the gym. So everything has to be a little more than average. So on an average, I think as normal people, one should always dedicate about 60 to 75 minutes in the gym. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं 1.5 hours, 1.5 घंटा या 2 घंटे जिम में बिताऊँ.
And coming to celeb mothers, this is what Neha feels.
अगर आप मुझे आज पूछें कि तो what is happening, why aren't the newborn mothers if you have to lose weight? I think firstly though we have to be very kind because giving birth is you regain a second life, you give birth to a brand new life. So we can't be harsh on mothers who put on weight. I think it's very, very unfair. But what is the one weight loss remedy? I'd say leave everything, come and do Zumba, get your baby along so that she or he starts learning fast in life too.
Well, नेहा ने तो यहाँ अपने points of view बताकर क्लियर कर दिया कि B-Town ladies are all in support for our new celeb moms. और कुछ इसी तरह complete हुआ ये Zumba event. For Hardik Tanna, Zoom, Mumbai.